Real quick, I just thought about this. In a real world setting, the fact that the customers are coming in so fast like that typically would mean that they're getting notification letting you know that, hey, your clothes are done, it's ready for pickup via SMS or EMS in a real world setting. Most POS systems out there can do that. You can just simply give them a call, letting them know, hey, your clothes are done and ready for pickup. But again, uh, these should be same day charges, but customers already there. And obviously, we don't want them waiting too long. The longer they wait, the more frustrated they get. And obviously, with this game, less of a tip they give you because we need those tips to pay that extremely ridiculous loan that we got, as well as our bills, water bill, electricity bill, and soon enough, our staff. Got nothing here, nothing in here. Oh, I know. Oh, number 6 up. All right, cool. Technically, we did 7 orders, finishing up for the day. Now, I'm actually going to close officially right now. Just kind of give you the idea in a real world setting, when you have extra orders ready for the next day, as a good practice, what I've done, you know, in this industry was actually start sorting out the clothes and preparing it for the next day, so I know how I want to wash. That's also a good time to even pre-treat and stains that you might see. So you actually have a little more time to put that extra detail in the clothes for orders that are sitting for next day. Now, because technically, what's this? From opening 7 to closing at 2, that's what a 15-hour shift. After 15 hours, if you're by yourself, you're not gonna want to do that. I get it. I wouldn't want to do that either. You kind of want to just go home and prepare for the next day. But doing small little things the night before reduces the amount of things you gotta do the next day. So this is a good idea of practice. So we made $40.14 from today. I guess that's good. All right, so we just got alerts said we got some bills to pay. All right, so I know we did the one day. I'm actually gonna hold off, save this. We're actually gonna save this and continue on to the next one. All right. No. Damn. I did all that in just shit.